Well, what are you looking at here? Well, it's a doggy walk area. Yeah, where the dogs go shit and pee every day. And what we have here, well, the owners are so lazy that they have to ride their carts and drive their car here to let the dogs do their business. And then what happens? They put back in the cars and take back the RV. I say, hey, do your carts and cars at home at your RV spot, and the exercise probably do you both a world of good. But that's just me, MW60, telling it like it is again. With all the frills, thrills, all that stuff, you know what I mean? The way I see it.